Hi! Well, today I'm going to be cooking chicken tikka masala and garlic naan. I received a food kit. It's a little bit different than what you would typically expect. All of the dry ingredients came, and then I had to go get all the fresh ingredients. And I absolutely love that because I like to use organic ingredients, and I was able to pick out the produce that I wanted and everything, so this is awesome. Just to show you what came in this kit is this, and let's see what's inside here. Some spices. So we have the garlic naan packet number 1, chicken tikka masala spice packet number 1, chicken tikka masala spice packet number 2, and there's also the marinade, the garlic naan packet number 3, and the active dry yeast. And then there's also this garlic naan packet number 2. And oh my gosh, this smells incredible. It smells so good, and I am so hungry right now. So inside these little packets here, it gives me all of the instructions and the shopping list. So let's get cooking. All right, starting with the naan first. You can see the ingredients there. We're gonna start with our first packet, then we're gonna add the warm water and the active yeast. We're gonna let that set for 10 minutes until it activates. Then we're gonna add the warm milk and 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. And then I'm using olive oil, 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Then we're gonna stir that all up. And we're gonna add our second packet. Get that all in there, stir it up. I've never ever made any bread like this before in my life. I have made banana bread, zucchini bread, but nothing like this before. So you just stir that all up and then add your minced garlic. Stir that in as well. And then we're going to add packet number 3. The instructions said to add this in very, very slowly. So I'm trying to add it in slow, a little bit at a time. Keep mixing, adding a little bit here, a little bit there, and stirring until you're done with your packet. And as you can see, mine is really kind of gooey, I guess you could say. So I'm gonna knead that a little bit, and it's very sticky. So I'm gonna have to add a little bit more flour in here, I think. Alright, that's how mine turned out. Now I'm gonna put this towel on it like it's a blankie and let that rest for a little bit for about an hour and a half. We've got our ingredients for our chicken tikka masala, and I've pre-cut some things there to save time. And now we're gonna get our marinade ready. We've got the fresh ginger, garlic, lemon. We're gonna grind that all up. Two tablespoons of lemon juice. And then we're going to use our marinade packet that we received and stir that all up. There's 6 tablespoons of yogurt in this marinade also. You want to make sure that your chicken is fully coated. And then we're going to throw that into the fridge for an hour. While the chicken is marinating, let's whip up something to brush on our naan. We're going to melt some butter, and we're going to also add in cilantro and garlic. And we'll just mix that in and let that cook a little bit, and voila, we're going to set that aside. Now we're taking our naan, and we have made 8 little balls, and they get another nap for another 15 minutes. Now that an hour has passed, we're going to get our skillet nice and hot, and we're going to cook the chicken. Once the chicken is done, we're going to set that aside and we're going to saute our onions, and we're also going to add another batch of the ginger and garlic. Then our tomato puree. And then we're going to add our packet of spice. These spices are imported directly from India, and the company Zaika roasts them, dry roasts them. Okay, now we are combining the chicken and the mixture with the onions and the spices. We're going to add a little bit of water and we're going to let this simmer. Now for the naan. My dough was a little bit sticky, so I'm going to use some flour when I roll it out. I don't know really if you're supposed to do that or not, but mine seemed to turn out just fine. And lo and behold, I happen to have the perfect little pan for it. It's a cast iron skillet, and I will post a link for you if you would like to get one. These will come in handy for sure. And then you just get it brown on both sides and brush it with the yummy coating that we did with the butter and the cilantro and garlic for the top of it. And they smell so good, and it looks like it turned out just fine. Not bad for my first time out, huh? Zaika has an Etsy store where you can purchase their products, and they also have a Facebook page. I will post the link below.
Ooh, it's got some spice. That's got some kick in this naan. Pulled it off. Pulled off. So good. Well, I did it. I made the naan bread. And the food is great quality. It tastes just like a restaurant.
Check out the links in the description and get yours ordered today. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.